Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of natural skincare. Today I'm diving into a topic that's often overlooked but super important: intimate skincare. It's an area that deserves just as much attention as the rest of your body. That's right, we're talking about natural remedies to keep your intimate areas feeling fresh, healthy, and comfortable. These remedies are not only effective but also gentle on your skin. So, without further ado, here are my top 5 natural remedies for intimate skincare. Number 1. Coconut oil. This stuff is a godsend. Coconut oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used for various skin issues. Coconut oil is not only moisturizing but also has antifungal and antibacterial properties. These properties make it an excellent choice for maintaining the health of your intimate areas. Just take a small amount and apply it to the area. It's best to use organic, unrefined coconut oil for maximum benefits. Trust me, it's a simple, natural way to keep things smooth and irritation-free. You'll notice a significant difference in the texture and comfort of your skin. Moving on to number 2, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions. You can use it to calm any irritation or redness down there. It's especially useful after shaving or waxing. Just get yourself some pure aloe vera gel and apply it gently. Make sure it's 100% pure to avoid any unwanted additives. It's cooling and feels amazing. You'll feel an instant relief from any discomfort. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Now this might sound a bit strange, but hear me out. Apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to balancing pH levels. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH levels of your intimate area. A balanced pH is crucial for preventing infections and maintaining overall skin health. Mix a tablespoon with a cup of water and use it as a rinse in the shower. It's a simple yet effective way to keep things balanced. It's a natural way to keep things balanced. Just be sure to rinse thoroughly to avoid any lingering smell. Next up, number 4. Yogurt. Yes, you heard that right. Plain, unsweetened yogurt is not just a delicious snack but also a fantastic skincare remedy. Plain, unsweetened yogurt contains probiotics, which are great for maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria. This is essential for preventing infections and keeping your skin healthy. Apply it to the area for 10-15 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. It's a soothing and refreshing treatment that you'll love. It's a great way to soothe and refresh. Plus, it's an all-natural remedy that you can easily find in your kitchen. And finally, number 5. Tea tree oil. This essential oil has powerful antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It's a potent remedy that can tackle various skin issues. But remember, it's strong stuff. Always dilute a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying it. Always dilute a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying it. This ensures that it's safe and gentle on your skin. It's perfect for keeping any unwanted bacteria at bay. You'll feel more confident and comfortable. So, there you have it, folks. These are my top 5 natural remedies for intimate skincare. Simple, natural, and effective. These are my top 5 natural remedies for intimate skincare. Simple, natural, and effective. Incorporate these into your routine and see the difference for yourself. Always remember to do a patch test before trying any new remedy and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Your skin's health is paramount. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and take care. Remember, natural remedies are a great way to maintain your skin's health and beauty.